Hello everyone, it has been a long time I did not make video. Basically, one of my subscriber here in the Netherlands, he contacted me and he would like to send me a camera, Sony vlog camera, and he said that it's a couple of years old, but he did not use too much. He used for a few times, and he thought the token of appreciation and my commitment to the hobby, he wanted to send me for free of cost so I can make my videos with this camera. And thank you very much, Jul, for that. I really appreciate it. So I removed the address and the name for the privacy reasons. So we're gonna see what we have got. Basically, thank you for all the love from everybody supporting my channel. It's really appreciated. So let's take it very nicely. Let's see. Okay. Oh, this is the stand, I think. Okay, we put it there. And this is a charging cable, and here is the camera. Nice, look at that. It's a Sony Z1. It's a, yeah, you can see Sony Z1. It's quite famous, especially for making the vlogs. And it's a 4-year-old. It can make videos in 4K quality. So thank you very much. Really appreciate it. I'm gonna make soon videos with this camera also, so we can compare with my original camera. It can be useful. So it has this microphone cover also, and nice LCD screen, which can be also moved like this, so we can see it. Let's see if it still has the juice. I think it requires charging. He say he bought it several years ago, and he used for only few times. Okay, this is the battery, NPBX1. So the battery is made in India. www.bis.gov.in. Oh, interesting. No, it's made in China there, and here this website is for India. Anyhow, so this is the battery, and we have to put memory card over there. There is a memory card slot to record the videos. So I think it goes like this side. Yeah, and here you have the functions, and interesting, we have a microphone input there also. That is very handy. So we can attach a microphone there, external microphone, especially when I'm doing the sound test. We can do that. We have HDMI out also. And what is this? Okay, this is a multi-in. So this is a USB-B, I think. Yeah, it's a USB-B. It's not USB-C. So you can charge also with this, and also you can access the pictures and the videos which you make and copy in the computer for further editing. This is wide and tele, I would say. This is a mode, and this is of course shutter. This is on off button, and here we have a menu function, display, and this is a rotary function, and we have a press button inside also. This is to playback and this is to delete. Simple Sony features it has. Only the drawback with this model that the lens is fixed. Afterwards, Sony last year launched ZV-1 Mark II, and it has a detachable lens. So maybe this has, I'm not sure. I have to read about it. And this is a small stand basically. Let me put the box away. Okay, this is can be useful, of course. It's not very high quality stand. ISY look like it's a my favorite scraper. Well, I was reading about this camera, and the specs were quite good. It has of course, you can see the Zeiss lens, called Zeiss Vario Sonar. They are the best lens makers based in Germany, and with the 10 elements in 9 groups, and also it has a feature of 4K 4.35 into HD clear image zoom movie. It can have optical zoom 2.7x and angle of view 35mm format equivalent to 84 degrees. Focal length is also good. Digital zoom is 20 meter approx. Screen size is 7.5 centimeter, and the screen is a touch panel. Okay, that's good. And what it's so, and the sensor 21.1 megapixel, I think, which is quite enough for making pictures and making the video. I don't know if it will make a better video than my equipment, but we see how it does it. So I'm gonna make a upcoming video with this camera, and then I'll tell you that the video is made with that, so you can have a look and see if it's even better. And I have to find out if it has a stereo microphone in or just a mono. If it's mono, then it's not good, but there is a possibility, you know. On the sound test, I separately record audio, then I am putting that stereo channel of the audio on the video file before uploading to YouTube. But then YouTube is also compressing so the file, and most of data is sort of compressed, so the quality doesn't remain the same at the time of recording, but at least it's giving a same sound image if you hear the equipment. So the people And my subscribers and my channel visitors, if they wanted to buy some old vintage audio equipment, then they have to, at least when they see my video and they hear the sound test, they should have an idea, like 8 out of 10, that what sound image they will get from that vintage equipment when they acquire it. So I think it's helpful in that manner. So thank you, Jul, again for sending me this nice camera. Really appreciate it. I'm gonna charge it and put micro SD card in it, and then we're gonna record some nice video with this camera, and we see how it goes. But thank you very much for the support, everyone. Really appreciate it. Have a good one. Until next time. Bye bye.